15 minutes, alright?
I opened the door and I screamed.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah, because the box was open.
Okay,
this
first
box.
of all, video camera.
Yeah.
Previously, my takeout had been opened. Not tonight, but previously on a different day.
Not by somebody.
No. We got in the car and my takeout box was open. Okay,
Oh,
so
yeah.
we're like, Elizabeth is retarded. Whatever, no big deal. And we talked about it tonight at dinner, actually. Did we not?
Yes, we did.
So then we got into the car tonight, and the takeout box, please view, close now,
Don't open it. Don't open it. Don't open it.
was open. Okay, I'm not going to open it now. However, Leah got in the car and it was open, so we laughed, maybe screamed a little bit. I kind of screamed because I was like, "Whoa,
Yes,
that's
because
creepy."
it was scary.
And then we closed it, only to have it reopen again like 3 minutes later.
After
And
she ate her
hey,
root chips.
Hey, videotape these ones that are closed and have remained closed, okay? And they look just like my freaking closed carton here. So I don't really know what the big deal is.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Brittany took matters into her own hands and closed it herself, thinking I was not capable, only to have it reopened.
But it hasn't opened.
No.
It opened for her.
You done
No,
It
it
has
has
not
not.
opened now because we're sitting here.
And you're doing your
Staring at
little
it because
wave.
a watch
You're,
hot never
you look like you're
boils.
putting a spell on it.
Maybe I am.
Who keeps opening it?
Nobody, because I put a spell on it. I'm going to put it over here.
Well, we'll
With the
have to
other-
record it when we get back in the
Okay.
car.
Close the box
All right.
and see what happens.
Until later.
Until later.